Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, I'm Brooke, primpinainteaasy.
One day I hope I can do an intro without like cringing inside. One day. Not today.
In this video, I want to tell you about all my favorite things, like my holy grails. I just want to talk about them. Like, I want to tell you things that I could not live without. If it's everything in this video besides one thing, I have been loving for months, if not like a year or two now, that I just cannot stop. If you want to know what I just cannot live without, keep watching. The first thing I want to talk about is skincare. A lot of people don't care about skincare, but if you want to do really good makeup, if you want your makeup to look bomb all the time, you need good skincare. Like, you better be washing your face every night. If not, I am judging you, because we can't live like that. No. This right here is so gentle, is so nice on your face. I'm one of those people who break out with everything. I'm so sensitive. Anything will break me out, down to if you put like a fabric softener in my laundry. Like, I'm gonna break out like crazy. But this keeps my face super clear. It always makes my face feel good. I do morning and night. This is just an everyday face wash that I can't live without. These next two things are gonna be from a brand that you're like, really? You're really using that brand? Yes, I'm using this brand. I don't like their makeup. I don't. Sorry, but I don't. It's Mary Kay. It is the Mary Kay Oil Free Eye Makeup Remover, and the Mary Kay is ClearProof Deep Cleansing Charcoal Mask. These things, bomb. So bomb. This takes any kind of makeup off. It takes everything off. Just, I wet the little cotton round, I put it on my face for like 2 seconds, like on my eye, wipe it away, everything's gone. It never irritates my eye. Again, I'm sensitive, so any drugstore eye makeup remover, my eyes get red, they get puffy, they get itchy, and usually I wake up in the morning and can't hardly see because it's that serious. This I've never had a problem with. I love it so much. It takes everything off. Everybody loves the Glam Glow, the white mask, and it is great. I've tried it. It's really good, but this right here is like a quarter of the price, and it works just as good, if not better. It makes sure all the oils just kind of come to the surface, get them all out. It shows you where you have any breakouts. It clears everything up. Love using this stuff. This isn't technically skincare, but we're just gonna roll with it, and we're gonna do this next. This right here, love of my life. Well, besides my boyfriend. Anyways, this is amazing. This gets me the best tan I've ever had in my life. It's the Bondi Sands Ultra Dark. I like the dark, but if I'm gonna go tan, if anybody knows me, you know I want the most ultra dark tan. This goes on, it has a tan guard, so you're gonna see where it goes on, so it's not gonna be like, did I miss a spot? Did I not get this spot? You're gonna see it as soon as you put it on. You already get a really pretty tan as soon as you put it on, but then, you know, you wait your, I think it's like 6 or 8 hours. 6, I just sleep in it. You wake up, you're like a bronze goddess. Seriously, I can't live without this stuff. I have to bring it when I travel and everything, because I can't be pale. Like, for makeup, I'm just gonna go in order, like how I would put it on my face. Primer, foundation, concealer, all that stuff. Actually, I start with eyebrows, so we're gonna go with eyebrows. So the first one, if you follow me on anything, you know this is my favorite eyebrow pencil. I like it better than the Anastasia Brow Wiz. It's the NYX Micro Brow. It's $10. It's at Ulta. It's at Target. But like, look how skinny this thing is. Look how little that is. Next thing I can't live without is the Anastasia Dipbrow. This stuff lasts forever. Like, I can put it on, work all day. Like, when I would go out all night, I'd wear this. And I know I said I'm judging you if you don't wash your face, but you know, some nights you just can't. You don't want to. You don't feel like it. I woke up with this still on. Everything is gone except my brows. My brows still like bomb. So if that tells you anything. For primer, I'm all about saving money. So I love the Smashbox Pore Minimizing Primer. I love Benefit Professional. There's another one that I love too. But if you want those and you don't want to pay the price for it, NYX Pore Filler Primer. It's that consistency, just like Benefit or anything. Like, it has that same color and it has that same consistency where it just kind of disappears and it goes straight in your pores. What pores when you wear this? What pores? So for foundation, I have used this foundation for, I don't know, I've used it well over a year. I don't know how long before that, but this beats any high-end foundation that I've ever used. I always go back to this one. Like, if any foundation wants to sponsor me, please, please, L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. I don't know how many people I've recommended this to. This is full coverage. You can, when you put it on, you can get a medium coverage, but I use the Beauty Blender and it actually gives me full coverage. You can always layer it. It doesn't get cakey. It stays on all day. When I go to work, have my makeup on, and then I go straight to the gym after work, guess what makeup is still on? This. You need it. I don't use powder on my whole face, but when I set my concealer under my eyes, it has to be this. The Airspun powder. I remember it was really big at one time and I finally tried it. It's kind of disappeared. Like, it's not really talked about that much anymore, but you get so much. You get over 2 ounces of this whole thing and it's great. It keeps me matte. It doesn't look cakey. It's translucent. You can go buy whatever powder you want. I love the Laura Mercier one. That one's bomb, but like I just said, I don't mind using drugstore makeup because I like buying a lot of things. I'd rather buy makeup that I like that is cheaper just because it's not some big name brand, so I can buy more makeup than spend like 40 bucks on a powder when I can spend 7 and get more. Bronzer for me might be a little bit different than anyone else. I self-tan and I don't mind having that more warm tone bronzer. I don't care about having a deep brown or like I can't use like a super cool tone. Bronzer is supposed to be warm, but a lot of people don't like it when it has any warm tendencies or orange tendencies in there. I like that. I like an orangey bronzer. This isn't super orange, but it's getting there. With my self-tanner, it looks great with it. It's the NYX matte bronzer and it's in the shade medium. This is perfect. For contour, Kat Von D Shade and Light. I'm not really going to go over it because everybody knows what this is. Everybody, I feel like, has used it. So I'm not going to go over why I love it. It blends. It's great. You can tell what shade I like. Yeah. Having to narrow down a favorite Holy Grail highlighter, like, it wasn't hard because I know what I always grab, but damn, like, it is hard to choose your favorite highlighter. And it's funny that I'm using these brands back to back, but whatever. Jeffree Star, Skin Frost, and Peach Goddess. When I bought this, I was kind of scared and it intimidated me a little bit because I don't like pink highlighters on myself. But this baby, you can tell that I love it because it takes so much. These pans are so big. Look at it comparing to my face. These pans are so big. The fact that I've used that much says that I love this. But I mean, how can you not love that? Like, it's pink, but it's not. If that makes any sense whatsoever. And I love doing this. If you can put a highlighter over a tattoo ink, that's a damn good highlighter. Like, it doesn't have that pink cast, but it's just so pretty. And it blends so smooth. I don't know how he made this. I don't know what he put in it, but it's like Jesus himself was like, here you go. Here's your highlighter. You're welcome. It's so good. So this is my one thing that I've recently started using. I've used it for the last month, but it's kind of newer. It's not like I've been using it for months and months and months, but I can't live without it. Like, I can't do my makeup without it. I love this concealer. If you watch my last video, you know I love this concealer. It's the ItCosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye, the Illumination one. I'm going to link it somewhere around so I don't have to go into detail about it because I went into full detail on the video. So if you want to know why I like this, and if you want to know why I like it better than Tarte Shape Tape, go watch that. For setting spray, the Pure Hydrating Mist facial spray. It smells so good. It smells like lemons. I have nothing bad to say about this at all. This is so good. As soon as you put it on, it just feels refreshing. If you wear powders and you spray it on, it just brings everything back to life. So it's not flat and matte and everything is just so dry looking. It brings everything back to life. It makes you look more hydrated. It makes you look healthy. It's so good. And if you spray this on and then put your highlighter on, girl. So my last two products are hair products. If you like your hair with texture, if you don't like it like super flat, like my hair, I just washed it, so I'm struggling with it being so flat, but this stuff is so good. And if you didn't know I'm a hairdresser and I recommend this fully. It's the IGK Down and Out Dirty Spray. If you like that messy, beachy wave, this is your stuff. This is what you want. You want a texture spray, and this stuff is so great. Just because if you're like me, I have fine hair, my hair falls. If I try to style it after I wash it, it's like, what are you trying to do? No. Even though I do hair, I struggle with it because I can't help what hair I have. But this helps so much. It gives you texture. It gives you that a little bit of a messy look. I hate neat curls. And please, for the love of God, if you like neat curls, at least put your fingers through them. You know what I'm talking about. Those prom curls, we don't do that in my chair. And extra bonus, IGK 30,000 feet volume powder spray. If you really want your hair to stay, if you really want a lot of volume, if you want it at the roots, this is your stuff. You're just gonna pull your hair apart, and then we're gonna spray. It looks weird. It's like powder, but it comes out like a, I don't know how to explain it. There's other products that do this, but I've just been liking IGK lately. It just gives that little bit of a grit. So especially if you're doing like updos or you have to do a wedding or anything like that with the root and teasing, if you like to tease your hair, this is gonna be your favorite because you just put it in there and you can tease it, you can do it with your hand, whatever. It's just gonna give you so much more. Like, I'm sure my hair looks like messy, but that's what I like. Alright, so those are my holy grails. Can't go a day without them. Love them so much. Between makeup, skincare, and a little extra hair thrown in there. I just thought since I am a hairdresser, why not start adding hair in my videos? Didn't include my brushes because I just thought this video would go on and on and on if I included my brushes. So if you want me to do like my holy grail brushes, my favorite brushes, just like thumbs up or comment and let me know, because I have so many of my favorite brushes and a lot of them are not very expensive. So if you want that video, just let me know. Like this video, just thumbs up. If you want the favorite brush video, then definitely let me know. Subscribe because it's free. It's free. Bye.